O MLA balarang bha ka NPP na Rezubel para o Thimothy Ba ulayathu ba ulabu ya kasithi inokam kum o deputy speaker ka yingdorbar halor ka jingta jong kinong yalam ka parti habakren syakilat pathai khobor mynta ka snginangkong o disira ula pentip ba ulayok priang ya ka phone call na menteri rang bakdu o Conrad Sangma hanin kamit bapta ya u ban inokam ya kaba ulale klem debu jingkeli ya kani karai ngamdon ai palat ban kentho halor kani namar ngala debu ya kasithi inokam katkum ka jingpta ka high command bat ka ai kabalapta ya nga banle ngala deble kumta kan syong ha ka jing start jong UCM la un pensyong ya nga ha kanu ka jakaru ya kata ngampatip ulong habakali u disira ulabanjur ba ubat scam ya ka jinglong bet long renti ka parti da ka baong ba kum ubriu ka parti umla satia ban kentat ya ka jing kerpat menteri rang ba ngadon ya ka jing syania bapura ha menteri rang ba ngamla ban ong em namar udai menteri rang ba bangas nyujan ong uni unong yelam haba jubab ya ka waipat ka jingkeli shira ulong em ngamdom satia ngasnyu hun ya ka ni karai habakali ya kalat ban yo rungkli ha kajing penkelai ya kanhun menteri ushira ul penpau ya kajing bumtikna batong ba kum kani karai kasyong ha menteri rang ba.
There is a little demand from the people of North Carwells that at least one should be inducted in the ministry, but it's up to the what is called Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So nothing, no information has received by me about this matter. So what I did is, as a loyal, as I said, partyman, since the direction has come from him, I tender my resignation without any difficulties, because I always look for him, and I always give the option for his choice. I don't have any choice, nor I make any demand that I should be inducted or I should be given this post, that post. It has never come from my mouth. Suddenly, it's up to our party high command. Last night, I received a call from CM, then he said, Awang, you better resign tomorrow. So I resigned. As a loyal party man, I cannot say no.